In one of the last video, we talked about three challenges faced by the students who are from village background to get IT job. Okay, but I wanted to give you full steps. Okay, to really follow and get a job as a students from village background. So in this video, we are going to deep in all the steps and we'll give you more idea what steps you should follow and what are the things you need to do to really get a IT job if you are from a village background. Let me share my screen and we'll talk about all those steps. Give me a minute. Okay. So there are basically 6 steps. Okay. To 6 step every student should follow to get IT job if you're from a village background. So in general, many students, especially from small towns and village background, okay, till their graduation or BTech, whatever it is, till their education completes, they will not really focus much on the placement and job, all those things. Once they complete, okay, then all they thought is, okay, they should go to some city, Hyderabad or Bangalore, and they should join some IT course, and then they will get the job. Okay, that is the perception many students have. But the reality is getting technical skills not only the solution to get a job. Okay, there are other things. Okay, so getting technical knowledge is part of the job, part of the game. Okay, so few other things we need to understand. Okay, so we'll talk about all these 6 steps and what are all you need to know and how to get a job also. Okay, the step one, okay, anyone should follow is first we should understand about industry like IT industry or software industry, because you want to enter into software industry, right? So first we need to know what is the software industry, how the software industry works, what are the different types of company in the industry. Okay, what are the different interview process conducted by each company. All those things we need to understand. To give simple example, for example, any one of you, like if you want to purchase any mobile, okay, you cannot simply go and purchase any random mobile, right? So you'll do good research. You'll see what are the different types of brands in the market, and which brand is really good, and which brand is providing what kind of features. Okay, which mobile is value for money. You'll do all those research. Okay, similarly, like when you are taking a decision to get into IT and this is your next future, right? So you need to do good research and get that knowledge so that you will have more idea about what are the different roles in the IT industry, which company pays better, okay, what tool suits for you, all those things. So we have to do little bit of research about the industry itself. Okay, many students really uh, do not know because of different reasons, because they may not have any contacts in the industry who are working, so they may not have idea. But we have internet, so we can do all those research and figure out, okay, all the details. That's the step one. The step two is, once you understand about the software industry, what are the different types of companies, okay, what is the interview process of different companies, then the next step is we need to first analyze ourselves. Okay, as a student, okay, first we need to understand where we are in the market. Okay, what skills I have right now and my skills fit for which type of company. Like let's talk about company types. We have different types of company, like product based company, service based company, startup, outsourcing companies. Like there are different types of companies. Okay, and different type of company interview process is different. They look for a skills levels different. If you take product based company, they look for a highest skill set. Like they look for a data structures, algorithms. You should be very good in writing good logic, all those things. If you take service based company, they do not look those. Like they look for a basic skills. If you are good little bit about logical thinking and you are good in a little bit communication, then there are more chances to get into service based company. So first you need to analyze what skills I have, okay, what kind of communication I have right now, so that depending upon those skills, okay, you can pick up which company is best suit for you to really get a job, okay, in the first place. So you need to do self analysis, where you are in the market, what kind of skills I have right now, and what are the other skills I need to acquire to get into IT. That's the important step. Okay, even if you are a beginner, you do not know anything, no, don't worry. But if you know the path what to learn, from there you'll go fast. Okay, then step three. Okay, once you know, okay, what is your weakness, like what are the skills you need to acquire. Okay, then we have to really create a plan. Like for example, you are at zero level, you want to target service based company, then prepare a plan. What are the service based companies really asking in an interview? What kind of topics you need to learn? What programming language you need to learn? We have to prepare that plan. Like if you have a target, like I want to get a job in next 6 months or 1 year or 3 months, put a deadline of 3 months or 6 months. Prepare a proper plan for each week or each 2 weeks, each month. Write all the things. Okay, what are all you need to learn? You need, okay. I'll also talk about what in general what we need to learn as a fresher. Okay. So like we have to learn one programming language first thing. Okay. Then you need to do a small project. Then you also need to learn other things like that DBMS, like OS basics, remaining other things. And you also need to be a little bit good in communication. Okay. So prepare plan to learn these different things. Okay. That's third step. Then fourth step is once you prepare a plan, okay, to learn all those things, we need some resources, right? So work on the resources. Okay, there are different ways to learn things. You can learn by just reading books, you can learn by attending online classes, or you can learn by just watching YouTube videos, or you can take one-to-one personal mentorship. It all depends on the which way you like, but you gather that resource. You want to join online course, join. If you want to read books, get the books. If you want to take personal mentorship, take. Or you want to use YouTube, use the YouTube. Okay, so gather all the resources. Okay, to learn things which are required to get a job. That's the fourth step. Then fifth step is once you have everything ready, you know about companies, you know where you are right now. You have a plan, you have a resources. Then the fifth step is take action, step by step action. Like many students generally what they do, like they will see, okay, I have many things to complete in my plate. Oh, it's too much. Okay, I may not do like that. People generally student think, but don't think too much. Start, okay, step by step. Take one step at a time. Okay, prepare, implement, first implement, learn basics of programming language, then learn basics of the project building. Then from there you go one by one. So implement the things step by step. Don't get distracted. Prepare a proper deadline for each task. Take more actions. So to achieve anything, action is very important step. So take more action, implement all the things step by step. Okay, once you learn and you do some project also, that means you are really ready for taking the interviews now. Okay, the next step is apply for a job. Okay, so there are different platforms to apply for a job, online, offline. You can use any resources, friends, relative, network also. Okay, to apply for a job you need to be first good in skills and doing some project that you have already covered in first 5 steps. Okay, then apply for a job. Okay, don't worry. Okay, it's not a one shot game. So it's a trial and error game. So we will apply multiple jobs. Some whatever apply you, whatever you have applied for some jobs, you may not get any reply at all. Some they will give reply, but they will say they want different skills. Okay, some they will say okay. Some spam calls also get, like they will ask for money to give you a job. Like that you will face all those different problems, but don't worry, keep applying. And so that you will understand what are the uh, different types of recruitment firms also. Okay, then you will be able to figure out, okay, which is the good recruitment company, which is a good recruitment consultancy. You should choose when you talk. You will understand all those things. Okay, apply for many jobs, fail, go and attend interviews, fail in few interviews, learn from them. Then take you understand where you are failing, where you are weak, improve that. Again, go back interviews. If you follow these steps, improve your communication, presentation, then go back, attend interviews. Okay, the more interviews you attend, you'll become good. And after 10 interviews, I'm sure you'll be definitely able to crack the interview and you'll be able to get a job. Okay, so these are the 6 steps. Okay, any students, especially from village background, should follow. First is understand about like self analysis. Second one is, sorry, first one is industry awareness. Second step, self-analysis. Third one is create a plan. Fourth one is gather the resource. Fifth one, implement step by step. Sixth one is apply for a job and fail, then again apply for a job, then crack the placement. So these are the 6 steps. I hope this video gave you some information. Thanks for watching this video. It's a very big video.